Morning, guys. It is May 22nd, 2023. This one here, I got a call back from a job I was on Friday, and today's Monday, so that was 3 days. When I went over there, the thing was tripping out on safety. He'd hit it every couple of days. Thing needed a good cleaning, and motor to pup coupling was questionable. Thing was all choked up, so I gave it the cleaning and stuff and fired right up. Well, he's calling me back 3 days later. He said it tripped out again. He hit the reset button and it's just humming. It's not spinning over, so I think it's the motor's bad. The motor or the pump might be bound up. We'll go find out. It's one of the two. Either that or it's the CAD cell, which I don't think it's the CAD cell because I've replaced that last year, the CAD cell. CAD cell senses the light and trips the control out if it doesn't sense the light. It's possible it's the CAD cell for just humming. But an old burner like that, probably the motor. Well, I told him last time I was there, I mean, sometimes, you know, the shit's not acting up when you're there and it's periodically happening. Sometimes you don't find it the first time when you go. I told him that right out of the gate. So we're gonna go over there. I said I'm glad it's not running, so I know exactly what the problem is. I seen it when it was the main operating control. It could be anything, you know, if it don't do it all the time. So it's not always cut and dry finding these issues. But anyway, he's home over there today, and we're gonna go find out what's going on with it. We'll check if there's power going to the motor, and if it's got power going to the motor and the motor's not spinning, well, it needs a new motor. And I got used ones. I told him I could sell him a used one. He said, we'll talk about it when you get there. He's home today, I guess. And I told him that the burner's leaking, the boiler's leaking up top because all that soot was like muck up in there, so that the bottom, the top of the boiler is leaking, soaking all the soot. So the boiler's not long for this world, I told him. You don't want to be spending a lot of money into an old system like that. It needs to be replaced, right? That's what we're up against. We're going back over there and see what we can do for this cat. Got Miss Molly a new bed over there. She shit all over her other bed this morning. Gotta give the old Mrs. Poopy Pants on the bed. The little dog bed, Mrs. Poopy Pants. Yeah. Yeah, what do you think, I'm a home health aide over here? Taking care of your poopy pants? You think I'm a home health aide? Huh? Mrs. Poopy Pants? Yeah, you better be nice. Mrs. Poopy. Yeah, Mrs. Poopy Pants. Yeah. Mrs. Poopy Pants. So, yeah, I could hear it just humming.
All right, that's how that hurts. Oh, you can push it again to turn it up?
Well, that little lever there, that little lever flicks it. So let's see if we can figure out why it's doing that. That's good.
I found you on YouTube.
I'm kind of glad that it's doing that.
I saw you on YouTube.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. It's pretty awesome. How's the following?
So let's see. We got it off right now. Let's see if it's bound up. It's not. See, it's spinning pretty freely there. Pump, I don't know. Let's see a little. Might be an issue with the pump. See how it's spinning kind of hard there. It's an older motor. That's one of the older motors. It's probably just a bearing on the motor.
Alright, I'll be outside. I don't think I want to learn this.
Well,
I mean, I'm learning how to put wood over the deck right now. So, yeah, doing my lunch hour.
Do you want to put a new motor or a used motor in there?
What's the price difference and like?
I can give you a 50 used one for 50. New one's 125.
And in terms of like,
you know, as far as the warranty comes with a new one, I ain't gonna give you a warranty on an old motor.
Okay.
But you know, I mean, some people don't want to spend a lot of money on an older unit like this. Like I said, it's it's an older unit, so
Yeah. But I mean, you'll make
It's
sure
your
like,
call.
at least it'll run, right?
it'll run before I leave it.
Yeah.
I'll make sure it runs before I leave it.
Well, let's try an old one then. Yeah, a used one.
I mean, you got an older unit
Yeah,
here,
exactly.
so I mean,
yeah. It's like, you know, the car gets in an accident and they charge you like $2,000 for a new part. It's like, oh, just give me an old part.
well, sometimes I save if it's good, they're old, I'll save them.
Yeah.
Some people like a position like this where there's an old piece of shit here.
Yeah.
I mean, you don't want to spend a lot of money here,
I
right?
hear you. Exactly. I agree.
That's what I would do. But
Yeah. Let's put the used one in.
let's see if we got.
Let's
see if we got 110 going to the motor. If we got 110 coming out of this controller, then we know it's the motor, right? We gotta make sure that's shut. We got it off. We got the power. The power's off. Should. We got this to ground, so that should be 110. Pushing the reset button again. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, she fired up that time. You know it's the motor because I spun the thing.
So it was stuck, right?
I spun it, right?
Yeah.
So you know there's a flat spot in the motor.
Right in there?
It's the motor.
Okay, well, good.
Because I spun it. So let's put the other motor in there.
All
Okay?
right. Cool. Alright, I'll be outside if you need me.
Alright. I'll get the other one. Yeah, it gets like a flat spot on the housings in there when you spin it. Alright, we got another motor here. I'm going to use this used motor. I'm going to change out the motor. Give it to you. How you doing, Mama? The old motor, we were spinning it, right? So, you know that there's probably a flat spot on it. I'll put a new one in there. Playing around with it. It seems a little tough to spin. Typical. Got a big spider under here. A big spider. That seem a little hard to spin. It's a Beckett. Pump seems fine. So I'm gonna use motor. I mean, it is an older unit here, you know. I'm kind of glad the motor was acting up. Alright, we'll get the power off. So we got the black from the transformer, black from the motor. The black, one black from the transformer, one black from the motor, and then the orange. And the neutral. Neutral from the motor. Neutral from the box. And the other black from the transformer will be what we need for those three. Neutral from the control also. That was 4. The only one that's black on here is the one from the transformer, because it's got 2 black. One of them is a neutral, and that should work. Make sure everything's good here. It is a new CAD cell that was been put on there last year when I changed this protector relay. Motor been acting up at the time last year also. We'll see if it works. Ready? Fire it right up. There you go. New motor. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's been 3 days and we replaced the burner motor used. In my used one, cheaper form.